Here we are at the penultimate or second to last question of LSAT PrepTest 157's first logical reasoning section, section 2. As always, we've got a highlight tool ready to go, and we read the question stem first. The argument requires the assumption that, so we know this is an assumption task. We just highlight assumptions so we don't lose sight of what we're being asked to do. And we're going to read the paragraph on the left and highlight the conclusion once we've identified it after reading. The more profitable a corporation is, the more valuable its manager's time is. As a result, it is especially costly for highly profitable corporations to have their managers spend time monitoring employees. Such corporations can save money by reducing this monitoring as long as the employees are given strong incentives to keep working hard. So, highly profitable corporations can save money by giving their employees expensive bonuses. So hopefully we can identify what the conclusion is almost immediately. It's this final statement that says highly profitable corporations can save money by giving their employees expensive bonuses. And we can see that it's all tied to this idea of monitoring. So we need to find an answer choice that connects this idea of monitoring to these expensive bonuses to basically limit the amount of time that the managers are spending monitoring the employees. So we start with choice A. Only a few corporations give their employees bonuses that provide strong enough incentives for the employees to keep working hard even when they are not being monitored. Okay, are these corporations highly profitable or not? I have no idea. I need additional information to link this to our conclusion about highly profitable corporations so we can eliminate choice A immediately. Now that we know that A is 100% wrong, let's just scroll down once and evaluate choices B through E. If a highly profitable corporation could save money by giving its employees expensive bonuses, it is because giving such bonuses would reduce the amount of time its managers must spend monitoring those employees. Well, we don't need that to be the only way that they could save money. It could be for some other reasons. So, this idea that it's only because giving the bonuses would reduce the amount of time the managers must spend monitoring these employees is absolutely false. It could be because, the bonuses might encourage more productivity out of the employees themselves. So choice B is absolutely not something that must be to believe the conclusion. Then choice C, the more valuable the manager's time is at a corporation, the less likely it is that the corporation will actually have those managers spend time monitoring employees. Okay, the more valuable a manager's time is. Okay, so like very, very, very valuable. I mean, I know that the more profitable a corporation is, the more valuable the manager's time is, but tying it to less likely that the corporation will actually have those managers spend time monitoring the employees, well, it's especially costly, even if it's less likely. So we don't have a direct comparison of these two variables. So choice C2 is going to need additional information, and we can eliminate it for that reason. Then choice D, for people who are employees of highly profitable corporations, ooh, that should jump out immediately. That's exactly the population in our conclusion. Where monitoring is reduced, okay, that we knew was relevant, expensive bonuses constitute strong incentives to keep working hard. And you're like, that's exactly the link that we need. So hopefully you can proactively identify D as our necessary assumption, linking these bonuses to not needing the monitoring from the managers. And then choice E, a highly profitable corporation can save money by reducing its managers' monitoring of employees only if its employees are given expensive bonuses. Well, we don't need this to be the only way again. This is extreme as an assumption. And so for these reasons, hopefully you can see how the gap in the logic is articulated almost exactly by choice D, which is our necessary assumption.